Canva is an easy-to-use design tool that lets you create professional graphics, presentations, social media posts, and flyers effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or a design pro, Canva offers thousands of customizable templates and an intuitive drag-and-drop interface to bring your ideas to life. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate Canva and create your first design in just a few minutes. First, go to www.canva.com and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see the Canva homepage with a search bar and various design categories. Let's create a social media post. Click on Create a Design in the top right corner, then choose Instagram Post. Now you're in the editor where you can select from thousands of free templates. Pick a template you like and let's customize it. Click on the text to edit it, change the font, or resize it. To add images, click Elements, search for graphics or photos, and drag them onto your design. You can also upload your own images by clicking Uploads. Adjust colors, move objects, and experiment with effects until you're happy with your design. Once done, click Share or Download in the top right corner to save your project. Canva makes professional design easy and accessible to everyone. Try it out and start creating today.